Good morning everyone. Today we'll start sleeve drafting. This sleeves, see. This is sleeve, right? The sleeve is getting like this. Front part and back part. Here this is for the regular bodies. Okay. And if you are taking for the normal body, straight bodies. See, for some people it's straight bodies, and for the some people it will be like getting like a regular bodies. Okay, depends upon the body, the sleeve may be changes. How to draft this bundle? Let's see. Take your drafting paper and draw one straight line. Draw one rectangle box 9 inch by 12 inch. These are standard sleeves to everyone. Okay, if your sleeves, short sleeves, elbow sleeves, 3/4 full sleeves, otherwise designer sleeves. Okay, for each and everything this drafting only you can use it. No need to draft it again and again. 9 inch by 12 inch, draw one rectangle. Okay, 9 by 12 inch. From here take 5.25 inches down. And from 5.25 marking take 2.5 inches inside. Now join from here to here. Now from here take 0.75 inch and join from this point to this point. Now mark 3.5 inches where we are getting 3.5 inches. There one marking. And 5 inches one more marking. From 3.5 inch marking take 0.6 up and from here take 1 inch straight. Now join these 2 points. See, this 1 inch marking 0.6 and this 5 inches. And from here take shape like this. Okay, this is for the small sleeves. These are for the small sleeves. And from here take 2 inches. Now join from this point to this point. This is for the straight body. Next one is regular body but without creases. From here take 0.75 inch down marking and from here take 1 inch straight. 1 inch straight, and this is 0.6 marking, right? Join from here to this 0.6 marking. Done. This is for the regular body without creases. And next one is regular body with creases. Okay, here if you are getting creases also, but you will be getting feeling comfort. And from here take 1 inch straight. Now join from this point to this point. Okay, this is for the regular body. Here we are getting 3 sleeves. Okay, small, this is for the small sleeves, and this is for the regular body without creases, and this is for the regular body with creases. Let's see how to cut this one. Okay, this is for the front body, front arm. For the back arm, from here take 0.5 inches down, and join from here to here. Okay, this is for the front part. This is small sleeves. Next we'll cut regular sleeve without creases. This is regular body without creases, and next we'll cut the regular body with creases. See, you are getting sleeves like this. These sleeves only we can use for the all designer sleeves, as well as all sizes we can use these sleeves only.